Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to take photos of notes and then write on them. So I'm going to open my camera. I'm going to take a picture of my notes that I'm working on today in class. I'm going to open the notes in Photos. The first thing I'm going to do is edit, which is the 3 lines with dots on it. I'm going to crop my photo, get rid of all of the extra space around my notes, make it look a little tidier. I'm going to save that right away. Then I'm going to go back into edit. And in order to write on a photo, I need to click on the circle with the pen tip in it. A options bar will show up at the bottom. And I generally choose to use the first marker to write with. I am using a stylus, but you can write with your finger as well, just isn't as easy or precise. I generally choose the second thickness of the writing. It's legible without being hard to see, and if you choose thicker, it usually looks pretty messy. The other thing you can do is choose what color to write in. To choose your own color, if you tap on the circle that has the rainbow around it, you can use grid, spectrum, or sliders to choose your color. I generally use grid, so today I'm going to choose purple. To add my color to my palette, I just tap the plus button, and now it'll be there saved for future note taking. So in order to take a note on my picture, I'm going to blow it up. That's one of the nice things about writing on photos. Students who struggle with spacing or having enough room in the lines on paper can make this as big as they need it to write in. So Diem was the leader of South Vietnam. And then I can continue to go on and take notes, filling in as I get to the spot. Now, if I decide I want to change the color, I can use the stripey pen, which allows me to circle what I've written, and I can then click on the 3 dots, and I can change the color. I can cut, copy, duplicate. I can change the color by clicking on the little color dot. So I could change the color of my notes if I wanted to do so, to color code when I'm writing. I can also use the corner to make my writing larger or smaller to fit in the space that I have to use. If I decide that as I'm writing and I make a mistake and I write I decide that's too big, I can click on the eraser and I can erase what I wrote and then continue to fill in my notes. I can also type instead. So by adding on the plus, I can add a text box. Once I have added the text box, I can change the font size so that it fits in the blank that I'm typing in. I can either choose to type or Or I can add a text box and use voice typing. Obviously, it's not always right, uh, but it does allow me to have different options for filling in my notes. When I am done with my notes, I need to make sure and save it. In Photos, if I do not save, everything I have done on this worksheet will be gone when I open it the next time. So to save, you're going to click on the checkbox in the blue circle, or the check mark, and then click Done. And now it will save, and I can actually go back and edit and make changes if I need to. So, oops, sorry, I forgot to um, tap on the pencil. And then I can go back and change it. So you have a lot of options. You want to just make sure that you save every time you make changes.